Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm on a journey to simplify my life, one space at a time. If you haven't already, check out the playlist where I declutter each room, where we let go of the things that no longer serve us. Today, I wanted to take a step back and look at everything I've decluttered so far. Over the past 2 months, I have let go of a lot. Clothes that didn't make me feel like myself, stationery that I kept out of guilt, organization that I'd promised myself that I'd use eventually. All of these items I was ready to release. Each thing I let go of created a little bit more space, not just physically, but mentally. And today I let that energy guide me as I finally list all of those items onto Depop. After finally taking photos of things that were just taking up space, I felt a little bit more capable of decluttering my digital space. First, I am clearing out all of the apps that I am no longer using, and then I moved to the files. A lot of these I could just move to my hard drive so they weren't taking up space on my digital spaces. And then I went through emails, clearing out emails that I didn't need, or things like promotions and so on. I then moved on to messages and notes, things that I was keeping that I didn't even realize I was keeping. I also removed contacts that I no longer needed and unfollowed accounts on social media. You wouldn't think about this when going through your digital space, but I have found that it helps me a lot, so I include it. I also clear my browser cache and go through my photos as well. Going through my photos and videos is the most time consuming, so I save that for last. And then to top it off, I clean my devices as well. I have found that this isn't about perfection, but it's about making room for who I'm becoming. If you're decluttering alongside me, I'd love for you to comment one thing that you're letting go of. And if you want to follow along as I keep simplifying and creating, just to live with more intention, go ahead and subscribe. Your support genuinely means the world.